Hey everyone, this is Tamil, and in this week's video, I want to give you some mistakes that most home business owners make when growing their business. Now, this can be any type of home business, whether it's online or just one that you are working from home. But specifically, I talk a lot on this channel about network marketing. So if you're in network marketing or something like that, then this definitely works for you as well. So I want to get into one of the things that I think is one of the biggest mistakes. And I came across this site that really expresses some of the things that I think can really help you guys. One of the things that I think that is the biggest mistake that people make is being a perfectionist and just wanting to do everything correctly. I think that when you spend a lot of time focusing on trying to get every single thing correct, then you're going to run into a ton of problems. One of the things that I think really slows people down is doing a lot of busy work. If you're one of the people that want to make sure that you've got your business cards first, or you want to make sure that you have your website first, or you want to make sure that, you are good at talking to people, face to face, or you want to be good at the cold market. Like if you are focusing on getting every single thing correct, then you're going to fail in the long run, because for one, you're never going to get started. And focusing on trying to be a perfectionist really slows you down because it takes time to build your skill. So this is one of the mistakes that I think a lot of home business owners make, whether you are running your business online or just running your business face to face. You don't want to focus on being perfect, because you're going to have to grow over time and being very good in certain areas. So if selling is an area you want to be good at, then you're going to have to focus on it over time. If public speaking is what you want to be good at, then it takes time to be able to speak in front of a crowd. So I would say stop focusing on being perfect and just get started. The second mistake that I think that home business owners make is just not being consistent. And I think this is general across the board with anything that you're starting. But if you are in network marketing, I find that when I talk to people that they're not consistent with talking to people daily. So let's say you want to get customers for your business. If you're not consistent with talking to people every single day and setting yourself a quota of maybe 30 or 40 people a month, then how can you expect to get new customers and make sales? So you need to be consistent in anything that you do. So if you have a home business and you know that it's important to, grow your business online, then you have to be consistent with promoting your product and promoting your brand. So you have to have a plan. So being consistent is so hard for people to do because they don't know what to do daily. So you need to have an agenda and some type of schedule to really help you be consistent on a daily basis. So that's one of the other mistakes that I see home business owners making, especially people in affiliate marketing and network marketing. Now, another thing that I think that people make a mistake with when starting a home business is just not being a student. So if you do not know what you're doing to begin with, maybe there's some skills that you have to hone. So maybe if you want to become a web designer, then over time you're going to learn how to build websites, or maybe you're going to learn graphic design. Or if you are a network marketer and you want to learn how to build your business online, then you have to learn marketing skills. You want to learn attraction marketing. So you have to become a student. You have to know how to learn first before you actually reap rewards. So being a student is very important. You have to take time out to learn, because there's a learning curve in everything. So everything that you want to do, if you have a home business and you know that you need to learn how to have a particular craft or a particular skill, then that may take you, a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or maybe so many months. But you have to learn how to become a student first and, take your time in learning skills. And that's one of the things that this article talks about. It talks about how you have to learn right here. You have to learn how to master certain skills right here. And they simply aren't just, educating themselves, but you have to learn how to improve your business by learning new skills. And that may mean that you are going to start listening to, like it says right here, podcasts or webinars, or maybe you're going to, read blogs, or maybe you're going to do something like, read a book a month or so many chapters a day. But, you need to focus on something that you can learn and become very good at and become a student at it. And so when I went through this, article, I thought this was a very, cool article, and it really expressed what I thought were at least the top 3 mistakes that home business owners tend to make in their business. And you should really consider making sure that you are very, very precise in these 3 areas and not make these same mistakes. All right, guys, so if you like this video, then make sure that you check out my other video that I have right here, 5 MLM habits for network marketing success. Guys, I'm constantly putting out videos on a weekly basis for people who want to start and grow an online business or just have their own home business and create passive income. So if you want to learn more about this type of content, then make sure that you give me a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future episodes. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.